Alright, let's get started. First things first, you're going to need some THC distillate. You're going to need some coconut oil. You're going to need a shot glass. You're going to need a dropper. Finally, you're going to need a pot with some water in it. So the first step in this process of making cannabis capsules is going to be to weigh out your THC distillate. So we're going to weigh up 1 gram here. Just put your shot glass on top of your scale. Tear it out so it's at 0. Get all that distillate in there. We're now going to follow it up with 3 milliliters or 3 grams of coconut oil. This is going to give you a nice dilution. You're going to have about 23 milligrams per dropper on this dropper here, which is a 0.25 ml dropper. So you might have 10 ml per notch on your syringe. So next we're going to tear the scale again. We're going to get our coconut oil. Going to add 3 grams or 3 ml. Now the next step is to take your coconut oil and THC distillate mixture, place it in top of the pot of water on top of the stove, allow it to blend evenly. When it's completely mixed, it'll be ready to fill into your cannabis capsules. So it's been about 5 minutes with both the oils over medium heat on the stove, and as you can see, they are completely blended into a beautiful clear liquid. The stirring definitely helps. Now this is what's going to fill your cannabis capsules. Alright, now we're on to the final step, which is filling up your capsules. You're going to need some capsules here. We've already taken the time to split them up. We got the big end, small end. And these are very easy to find. You can find them at your local health store. They're just empty gelatin capsules, size 00. Super easy to find. Great for making cannabis capsules of any kind. So what you're going to do here is take your cannabinoid-rich oil, suck it up into your syringe or your dropper. We're using an eyedropper here. It's easier for filling up the capsules, I find. And you're going to take out your dose size. So what you're going to do is you're going to figure out how much concentrates you used, how much oil you used, and do the math. ML mark. And since we're making 40 ml capsules, we're going to suck it just up to here. The 50 mark on our eyedropper. Take the top of one of the capsules, pop it on, and you've got yourself a cannabis capsule. If you're making these for personal, it doesn't matter if you don't use gloves. If you're making these for somebody else, please use gloves because it does get messy and your finger's going to be all over these things unless you have a capsule machine. But there you go. There's your first cannabis capsule. This is a 40 milligram pure THC distillate capsule. Again, hook it up to the 15 portion. Get it in the capsule. Get a top on there. Pop it on. It's another cannabis capsule. We got 2 there.